Namaskar and welcome to Bharat This Week, your weekly roundup of the most important news from across the country. I'm Laura Anika, wishing you a blessed Navratri, Gudi Padwa and Ugadi. And here are the top stories making headlines this week. The country's first semiconductor manufacturing plant is set to be established in Sanand district of Gujarat. The Indian government has announced a 10 billion incentive to boost the semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. This move is expected to strengthen India's position in the global semiconductor market. Global steel giant ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India has acquired land in Andhra Pradesh for setting up an integrated steel plant with an initial production capacity of 7.3 million tons per annum. This expansion aligns with the company's long-term strategy to strengthen its footprint in India. In a significant crackdown on Maoist insurgents, security forces in Chhattisgarh's Sukma district neutralized at least 16 Naxalites in a major operation. However, few security personnel sustained injuries in the encounter. Officials have confirmed that this operation is part of an intensified effort to curb Naxal activities in the region. In a step towards holistic education, Delhi school students will soon study a new course titled Science of Living. This curriculum will include lessons on elderly care, yoga, artificial intelligence, and self-help. The State Council of Education Research and Training SCERT confirmed that the course aims to introduce students to meditation techniques like yoga, mindfulness, and stretching exercises. 11 coaches of the Bengaluru Kamakhya Superfast Express derailed near Nergundi station in Cuttack, Odisha on Sunday. The accident took place around 11:54 a.m. The divisional railway manager of Khurda Road, along with other senior officials, has rushed to the site. A medical relief train has also been deployed to assist passengers. Investigations into the cause of the derailment are underway. That wraps up this week's edition of Bharat This Week. Stay informed, stay aware, and we'll see you next time with more news updates from across the nation. Until then, this is Laura Anika signing off. Jai Hind.